Hi and welcome back to a new video tutorial. It's Marina here, and after the photofolio Lady Vagabond that I made 2 weeks ago, here is Sir Vagabond with his own story to tell. I used 2 paper pads 8 by 8 inches to make it, and I really love that this folio is an horizontal folio and not a vertical as we usually make. I just fell in love with a guy with wings on the cover, and that's the reason I wanted to make it horizontal. Here is a quick flip through on this paper pad called Sir Vagabond by Stamperia, and I can really say that it has a lot of interest and mystery, such as a vintage style that is adorable, and it has also a lot of elements to cut out. To build the base I need 2 pieces of black cardstock 16.5 by 19.5 cm and score both of them on the short side at 1 cm. I burnish well the scored lines and I use a double-sided tape to stick them together on the 1 cm side. I continue building the folio using black cardstock to create my flaps. Of course, instead of using double-sided tape to place them on the folio, you can use liquid glue as well. To create the pocket, I use a piece of paper 22.5 by 8.5 cm, score it in this way at 1.5 cm. I put the pocket aside at this moment. For the last part of our construction, I'm going to use 6 pieces that measure 12 by 13.5 centimeters and score all of them on the short side at 1.5. I'm trying to build a kind of a booklet here by putting each piece on top of the other. And I will end up having 2 booklets with 6 pages each. Actually, in total it can hold 12 pictures. The first booklet is ready. Now I stick down the pocket I left aside before. At the end, I decided to add on my cover the quote that says, "Let your dreams be your wings," and 2 gold brads. I am going to use 2 magnets. First, I put a small amount of liquid glue, I stick the magnet and I secure it with a piece of clear sellotape. Then, I put the sellotape's sticky side up to stick the other magnet and I press it down firmly. For the inside pages of each booklet, I used craft cardstock as a photo mat, but you can leave it as it is and stick your own photos. That was the tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!